Dear Athenians, great morning from Simi Khurana. We all love chocolate, we all love cakes, but chocolate cupcakes are just divine. They can be eaten at any time, before food, after food, tea time, and above all, midnight. Today we are going to learn how to bake, make, and present chocolate cupcakes. Now, let's start with ingredients for the cake. All-purpose flour 80 grams, eggs 2, brown sugar 100 grams, yellow butter 100 grams, cocoa powder 25 grams, baking powder 1 teaspoon, milk 40 milliliters, and flour 80 grams. Now let's start. Now the butter is at room temperature. We are putting butter in our KitchenAid. And with this we are putting brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, we can put caster sugar also. And if you don't have this machine, we can use egg beater with the whisker attachment. Now we are increasing the speed and making it in a creamy consistency. Now we have preheated the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. We'll heat approximately 5 minutes. Now in between this, we are sifting this flour, cocoa powder and baking powder. After this, using whisker, just mixing all the ingredients, which is cocoa powder, flour and baking powder. Now we have lined these cupcake liners. If you don't have cupcake liners, we can use brown paper or we can use butter paper, parchment paper. Brown sugar and butter. Now they are creamy and fluffy. Now we are switching off this and adding 1 egg to this mixture and little spoon of cocoa and flour mixture also. Now we are putting second egg also, just mixing this all egg mixture. Now we are putting second egg also and 1 teaspoon of cocoa and flour mixture. Now beating it properly. Now our mixture is properly combined. Scraping all the flour and butter mixture from this paddle attachment. Now we are putting this flour mixture in cut and fold method, adding a little milk also. Now the remaining milk. We have to mix it properly. Now this is cut and fold method. Now this is a smooth consistency. Now our mixture is ready. Now we are filling with this ice cream scooper. You can use any tablespoon also. Like this. Equal quantities we have to fill. Now we have filled these liners. We have made 9 cupcakes. Now what we are doing is, we are putting this in our preheated 175 degrees Celsius oven for 18 to 20 minutes. The chocolate ganache in the meantime. The cupcakes are getting ready. Now ingredient for the ganache is, this is 90 grams of cream, dark chocolate 125 grams and butter 10 grams. All these items are at room temperature. We have heated this cream and bring to a boil in a medium sized bowl. Now we are putting this hot cream over the chocolate chunks. You can use any chocolate. Now we have to cover this . And leave it for a minute. Now, after a minute, we'll use this whisker to make our ganache. The cake looks ready. Let me check. With this square. Now we are completing this ganache. Now we are putting this butter also on this. It took approximately 18 to 20 minutes and our ganache is also ready, but we have to make our cupcakes at room temperature. I have already made one batch of chocolate ganache which is cooled. Now I am whisking this. We can use egg beater also. After whisking the ganache, I am putting it in my piping bag and cool it. Now I am doing icing on these cupcakes, making flour with the star nozzle. Now you can have your cupcakes like without icing. You can put peanut butter on the top. Either you can use your hot ganache by spreading out over on it. Or you can use Nutella. After icing, we will put sprinklers over the ganache. Now we can use any sprinkler, or if you don't have sprinklers, you can use gems. See how beautiful they are looking. And we can use hot ganache also, just spread like cheese spread on. try these cupcakes. It's yummy. I hope everybody will enjoy this, and happy baking. We'll send more videos. Thank you so much.